In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sold out and out of stock products in Shopify. First, let's cover the scenario where a product is genuinely sold out. Start by updating the inventory quantity. Open Products and select the item you need to fix. In the Inventory section, set the available quantity to the correct number. If you're managing many variants, use the bulk editor to speed this up. It's faster and reduces manual errors. After updating, click Save so your storefront reflects the change. If you still want to accept orders even when physical stock is gone, because your supplier can fulfill dropshipped orders, there's a simple setting for that. On the product page, select all variants, then open the three dots menu and choose Continue Selling when out of stock. Click Save. This lets customers keep buying while you rely on your supplier to fulfill those orders. But be sure your supplier's lead time and reliability are solid, so you don't create disappointed customers. Next, always check your location and fulfillment settings if a product shows as sold out unexpectedly. Go to Settings, then Locations, and confirm the correct location is selected. Make sure that location is set to Fulfills Online Orders. If your inventory is sitting in a location that doesn't fulfill online orders, the product will show as sold out even though stock exists. The solution is to either move the inventory to a fulfilling location or enable fulfillment for the location holding the stock. Now let's tackle products that appear out of stock because of a syncing or tracking error. If you use a third-party app like a dropshipping or print-on-demand service, open that app in your Shopify admin. Look for a sync, refresh, or resync option and run it. After resyncing, verify that the product is marked as active and shows the correct stock level inside the app. Many issues come from a mismatch between app data and Shopify's inventory. Finally, adjust inventory tracking if needed. On the product page, scroll to the inventory section. If the product is managed by a third-party app, the Track Quantity box may be checked incorrectly. You can uncheck it if the app handles stock or leave it checked, and make sure the app's settings update Shopify's quantity correctly. This prevents duplicate tracking that causes discrepancies. To wrap up, update quantities, enable continue selling if appropriate, check locations, resync apps, and verify tracking settings. Following these steps will get your listings back to the correct status quickly and reduce lost sales or customer confusion.